First Minister, I love Glasgow. It's my home. But frankly, it's been let down by the SNP, who can't even get the basics right. Tons of waste piling up on our streets, fly tipping on the rise, and over 1 million rats. Glasgow deserves better. So while Nicola Sturgeon lectures the world about the global environment, she is turning a blind eye on the environment Glaswegians are living in every single day. Tomorrow, I'll be joining cleansing workers who have been on the front line throughout this pandemic. They have been crying out for months for Nicola Sturgeon to tackle the waste crisis, but they have been repeatedly ignored. So will she join me tomorrow in Glasgow to hear directly from them about the challenges they face every day?
First Minister.
I know I'll be working hard to make sure the Scottish Government is doing everything to support COSLA and local authorities. I hope to reach an agreement with trade unions to resolve the issues here. That's my job and responsibility. I don't shy away from the problems and the challenges that cities like Glasgow, because Glasgow is not unique here, faces in the times that we live through right now. But nor will I stand here and allow Glasgow, one of the greatest cities in the world, to be talked down for political purposes in the way that Anna Sarwar has disgracefully been doing in recent times.
Anna Sarwar.
We're going to be talking next week about making history. That was probably a historically out-of-touch answer from the First Minister. She is basically saying to Glaswegians, that's just as good as it gets. And that's frankly not as good as it gets. She talks about talking to people that are world leaders. These are people on the front line leading the fight against the environmental crisis, and she should be taking them much more seriously.